what we're going to do here is add a new classic email template into Salesforce. So to do this, we need to open up Setup. So click on the gear icon and click Setup, which opens in another page. Then once it's loaded, in the quick find box, we'll search for email templates, which will bring up a couple of different options, classic and lightning. For this, we're doing the classic email template. So if we click on that, then you'll get all of the different email templates that you've got already. But if we search or click new template, then you'll have a few different options. For this, we're just doing a standard email template, so we'll use it as text. And once this comes on, you just fill out the different information. So if you've got a name that you want, so it could be template 1, and then you put your subject in, and then whatever you want your email to be as well. And then it's as simple as that. Once it's all filled out and you're happy with it, you just click save, and it will then be added into your email templates.